INVISTA is a chemical and fiber manufacturing company. Being a very global company, we struggled a lot with being able to compare and contrast our various plant sites. So we realized we really needed to think about this more globally and how do we unlock all of that data that we had available to us. And so when we started having conversations with AWS, we found that they were really focused on where we wanted to go and how do we get there as fast as we were looking to go and wanted to move and innovate quickly with us. For a manufacturing company, I'd say the first one that I was really impressed with was Snowball, because we had so much data sitting at the plant sites in order to quickly move that into a landscape that we could compare it or into an S3 environment. That was huge for us. And then we use S3 for our data lake and Glue to catalog the data so that it's easy to retrieve for both our data scientists and data exploration analysts, but also for our Redshift environment to be able to grab that and then bring it into more of a data warehouse environment. And then on top of that, we do use Alexa devices in some of our plant sites as well. And we feed the data out through our analytics environment into that Alexa device so that people in our warehouses can communicate through voice versus logging into an older system that isn't as user-friendly. This has really enabled us tenfold to what we anticipated, honestly. And mainly that's because we're getting more efficient at our production process, getting more predictive in our sales visibility and order visibility so that we can have more proactive discussions with our end customers.